My name's Ben, and today we've got another fabulous facelift Range Rover to show you around. This is a 2024 on a 74 registration P460e Autobiography, and there's a number of key points in what I've just said. So 74 registration means the car's under warranty until the end of 2027 with Land Rover, and that also comes with Land Rover Assist, so complete peace of mind. And also, being a facelift model, it's got the updated infotainment system and the screen in the centre, which is a really nice touch. And Autobiography, all of the spec you could ever want. Varesine Blue, which is a really rare colour on one of these actually, and goes really nicely with the shadow exterior pack that this car's fitted with. 19,000 miles, 2 owners from new, and a full Land Rover main dealer service history, so nothing to say about it. It's everything you'd expect of a 74 plate Range Rover. And we'll start at the front and show you through as much of the specification as we can. So starting with the lettering on the front of the bonnet here, you'll see that is dark grey because of the shadow line exterior pack. Same on the face of this grille here as well, which is a really nice touch, and the lower section of the front bumper. And then again, lots of features on the front bumper. So we've got the radar for the adaptive cruise control and your emergency assist systems in the centre there. And we've also got the forward-facing camera for the 3D surround camera system. Parking sensors in the front, as you would expect. LED matrix headlights, and we've got the LED daytime running light across the bottom. Very, very powerful headlights that will block out individual cars coming towards you. 22-inch gloss black alloy wheels, and you've got the black Land Rover centre caps, which go really nicely. Obviously big multi-spoke wheel with contrast, or not contrast, matching black painted brake calipers as well. Shadow line on the sort of sections on the front of the doors here, and the Autobiography badge. Small mud flaps and side steps as well, fixed side steps. Gloss black door mirrors, gloss black A-pillars, and a contrast black painted roof, which is a big cost option. Keyless entry and exit, blind spot monitoring in your door mirrors, and then have a look inside. All of the ebony leather everywhere you look, and being an Autobiography, you've got extended leather to the top of the dashboard as well. Loads and loads of features to talk about on the inside. An opening glass panoramic sunroof, and some SV Bespoke wood trims, and we'll show you why they're SV Bespoke when we get around the driver's side later on in the video. Autobiography illuminated tread plates down there as well. You've got soft closed doors, so if you just pop the door on the latch, they will pull themselves in. Privacy glass to the rear 3/4. And then again, because it's the Autobiography, in the back we've got blinds on the windows. We've got the electric armrest in the centre with a screen. And you'll see one of the key features from the back seats here. On the backs of the front seats, we've got the speakers, because this is the highest option Meridian signature surround sound system. So a really, really powerful sound system. Metal speaker grills everywhere on all of the door cards and the backs of the seats. Coming around the back of the car, you've got rear axle steering as standard on this new generation of Range Rover. Again, shadow line lettering across the back here. Black to the lower section of the rear bumper, and then a power tailgate, as you would expect. And then because it's a Range Rover, it's obviously got that famous split tailgate, which you can sit on and use as a bench, with lights in the top of the boot here, so you can sit and read if you need to. We've got a rubber boot liner in this particular car, electric folding middle row seats, and an electric parcel shelf, part of it being an Autobiography, that gets out of your way for you when you open the boot. Very clever. The one press of the button at the top there to shut all of that down together. Reverse camera on there. And then coming around the driver's side, I'll jump in and we'll talk through some of the interior features. So starting on the driver's door card, we've got soft leather everywhere you look, as I touched on. So across the tops, across where your arm would rest, and the grab handle as well. The SV Bespoke trims, and again, I'll show you on the center console why they're SV Bespoke, but very nice contrast. Goes really nicely with the Varesine Blue on the outside. Power folding, electrically adjustable heated door mirrors, and obviously memory seats for the driver and passenger in the front. And I'll just switch the car on. The car is fitted with a ghost immobilizer, so I'll just do that sequence whilst we're here now, so that I can show you the rest of the controls in the car. And obviously, because it's a P460e, it's started in electric mode, so totally silent. We've got the electrically adjustable steering column, forwards, backwards, up and down, and that will save with your memory settings. And the steering wheel itself is heated as well, so you've got the button in the bottom right there to turn on your heating. We've got adaptive cruise control buttons on the right hand side, and some multimedia controls on the left hand side, along with controls for our virtual cockpit in front of me. So the screen is very customizable, currently set to have your speed in the middle, media on the left, navigation on the right, but that can be put back to sort of traditional 2 dials or a full screen map, which is quite popular on the Land Rovers. We've got a heads-up display in front of me, which has lots and lots of information on it. So navigation, your lane assist, all of that sort of stuff, all on the heads-up display. And then coming across to the centre, as I said before, this is a sort of facelift model of this Range Rover. So you've now got all of your climate control, heated and ventilated seats, etc., all through the screen here. So you can see ventilation and heating on the seats there, all of your climate control in the screen, heated windscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can see if your phone's near the car, that will just flick through to your wireless CarPlay or Android Auto. And then if I go back into here, we've got a seats menu where we can control the rear seats as well. You've got massage functions on the front seats, so if I press that on, you can choose various different massages and intensities, which is really nice. Just switch that off, and as I said, you can turn on your heated rear seats from the front of the car here as well, and ventilated in the back as well, so very, very nice options on there. If I pop the car into reverse, we've got our reverse camera on the left-hand side and our bird's eye view on the right-hand side. 3D button here where you can drag yourself around the car. Very, very clever, you know, very easy to see where you're going and not hit things. And the car is incredibly agile for a car of this size because of the electric power steering, making it incredibly light, and the rear wheel steering as well. It's very, very maneuverable. And then coming down the centre, so you'll notice in the wood, hopefully the camera picks it up, but you've got these sort of silver lines, vertical lines or straights going down the centre of the wood. That's because it's SV Bespoke wood, so that's what that is there. Very nice touch, very cool design feature. Wireless phone charging pad under the front there, along with a big cubby storage section. Cup holders under here as well, so dual cup holders, and you've got a massive bit of extra storage, goes a long way down under there with USB-C and normal USBs under there as well. Under the armrest, an even bigger cubby hole, lots and lots of storage everywhere you look. Obviously the captain's armchairs with the adjustable armrests, and I'll just open the panoramic roof so you can see what the car looks like with that open, and then switch it off and jump outside and summarise what a fabulous car this is. But it's a full sliding roof with a wind deflector that comes up, and we'll just jump outside. So as I mentioned at the beginning, 19,000 miles, 2 owners from new, with a full Land Rover main dealer service history. A very unusual colour of Varesine Blue, but works really nicely with the contrast black roof and the Shadowline exterior pack. And being an autobiography, loads and loads of options, and probably most importantly, P460e, which if you do your research, is the best engine for a company car, if you like, or a car to buy for your business, because it can claim back the most benefits. So yeah, just a fabulous example. My name's Ben. I hope the video's helped. Thank you very much for watching.